Alright, we're going to replace the fuel pressure regulator on this 2001 Beetle. Just going to lubricate these seals with a little silicone. I'm going to do this quick so we don't lose a lot of fuel. Just going to put a rag underneath. There's a little clip right here on this hose. Pull the vacuum hose off. This should probably be replaced. A little bit dry. No fuel in there. A lot of times when this is bad, you're going to have fuel going into the vacuum line. Just pull this clip off. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. Pull that off out of the way. Try to pry it up a little. Just use some pliers. There we go. Pull it up. Alright, none of the fuel came up. The car's been sitting for a little bit, a couple hours, so just wipe this down. Push the new one in. Put the clip on. There we go, clips on, vacuum line back in, and clamp on, and it's that easy. There you go.